Melon gets one over by a train. Oh, such a nice day.
No one wants to end our story. But we're not letting it happen. We just have to outsmart
What
it.
if it was something coming with down? Just get one away! Get away!